Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. This video is basically an update of a prior video where we were talking about some of the changes that went into effect in the summer of 2017, briefly went into effect with respect to labor code, labor regulations. Specifically, it seemed aimed at migrant workers, so-called. It only came into effect for about a week, and there was kind of an exodus of migrant labor from Thailand, which was stopped because the regime here put a moratorium on enforcement of that for 6 months, and then basically dealt with, through administrative channels, means and methodologies of registering migrant labor and better tracking migrant labor and better tracking those who are employing migrant labor. As stated at that time, and as I still believe now, these regulations, although primarily aimed at migrant labor, can have an impact on foreigners generally, specifically foreigners of from a Western context or a Western derivation, or the Anglosphere, whatever you want to call it. These labor codes changed, and they changed for everyone. So it's not just migrant labor that was dealing with them. But that being said, they were some of the penalties were quite severe in the prior act, but as of an article written February 26, 2018, appearing in the Bangkok Post, the title is "Bill Eases Curbs for Illegal Hires." Quoting directly, illegally hiring a migrant worker will not cost an employer as dearly anymore as a bill that reduces the fine from 400,000 to 800,000 baht to 10,000 to 100,000 baht is expected to be placed before the cabinet Tuesday for approval, said a labor ministry source. The bill, which will amend an executive decree on management of migrant workers, was widely seen as too tough. Quoting further, under the decree, employers will be subjected to a fine of between 10,000 and 100,000 baht for each illegal migrant worker hired. In the case of a repeat offense, the employers face a one-year jail term and or fine between 50,000 and 200,000 baht for each illegal migrant worker. So they've changed it with respect to employer fines. I've been trying to find further information. I urge those interested in this topic, check out that article in the Bangkok Post for more information. That being said, there are more strict fines for foreigners working illegally in the kingdom, and as of yet, I've yet to find if there's any information. It might have been buried in that article further. I urge people to check it out. It might be in there. I may just be forgetting it. I don't think I am, but I suspect, again, the penalties for working illegally in Thailand have been made more strict, but as can be seen, they've relaxed some of these things, which tends to show me that, they're not taking this, although they take it seriously, they're not trying to be overly punitive in handing out fines and penalties associated with working illegally in Thailand. It seems to me like they just want to get everybody registered. They just want everybody to comply with the regulatory framework and move on from there.